It's here, my signature lash kit. I'm so excited. This is gonna make lash application so much simpler. Okay, what we have in here are gonna be a mascara wand, a lash applicator or lash tweezer, a pair of precision scissors, and a microfiber wand. Lastly, but not least, my favorite tool, an eyeliner glue pen. Okay, let me break them all down. The eyeliner glue pen is gonna be a tool that you're gonna be able to use to not only make lash application easier, but to skip the step of adding black eyeliner. These precision scissors are gonna give you the expert cut you need to custom fit each lash for yourself. The lash applicator or lash tweezer is so important because this slanted nose or slanted head is gonna allow you to pick up your lashes so much easier and place them more precisely onto your eyes. Okay, now we have a mascara wand. You're gonna be able to use this to brush through your lashes. All right, now we have a microfiber wand. We're gonna be using this to sanitize.